Year 9 Biology. Welcome. Are you excited for a fun learning session? Make sure you have your book and a pen before we start. Today you are going to learn about DNA. DNA? Watson and Crick are credited with discovering the structure of DNA. They used findings that they had made as well as findings from other scientists to build a cardboard model of the helix structure of DNA in 1953. Rosalind Franklin took an X-ray photo of DNA and this showed the DNA as an X shape. Watson and Crick saw the photograph in early 1953, and deduced that the only 3D shape that could have made sure a picture was a helix. This helped them design their DNA model. DNA has a specific function. It is used to store the genetic information of the organism, and this controls all the inherited characteristics of an organism. Chromosomes are very long structures found in the nucleus. Chromosomes are long molecules of DNA wound around a protein that protects it. A somatic cell is any cell in the body except the sex cells, and these cells all contain 23 pairs of chromosomes in humans. This makes 46 chromosomes in total in each cell. Each gamete contains half the amount of chromosomes. This means that when two gametes fuse at the moment of fertilization, the zygote that is formed will have the correct number of chromosomes. When gametes combine, the resulting zygote has the correct number of chromosomes for that organism. If gametes did not contain only half the number of chromosomes, then the number of chromosomes in an organism would double each generation. Genes are small sections of DNA that contain genetic information. Some characteristics are controlled by one gene, by many characteristics are controlled by more than one gene. DNA is a double-stranded molecule. The DNA molecule is said to have a double helix shape, as each strand is a helix. The DNA strands are held together by pairs of bases. Between the bases are hydrogen bonds. The backbone of the DNA molecule is made up of an alternating sugar group and a phosphate group. The sugar is deoxyribose, and this is the sugar that gives DNA its name. There are 4 bases in DNA, and these can only bond in a specific way. We say that the bonds are complementary. The 4 bases pairs are adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine. The bases are complementary and so will only bond in the order of adenine to thymine, and cytosine to guanine.